Welcome to the Leistritz Extrusion Experience. Let the journey begin. Leistritz was founded in 1905 by Paul Leistritz with just a handful of engineers. Today, it is a worldwide technology enterprise with 13 locations and 4 business units. But let's start at the beginning of Leistritz Extrusion Technology. The screw pump, which Leistritz had been producing since the 1920s, was further developed into an extruder for the delivery of viscous masses in 1937. Back then, you could scarcely have guessed that the modern high-performance extruder would be the result. During the 1950s, the first machines were further developed. An LSP extruder with 1.5 screws was created, combining the advantages of the twin and single screw technologies. In the 1960s, the development of those primal extruders pushed on. The result was a so-called twin screw press. The counter-rotating twin screw was the most prevalent machine. A milestone in Leistritz history emerged in the 1970s, when the extruder range was complemented by a totally new kind of machine, the LSM 30.34 laboratory extruder, which facilitated switching from single to twin screw mode. By diversifying the product range from mostly counter to co-rotating extruders in the 1980s, Leistritz was able to reach even more customers and application fields with its ZSE GL. Innovation and customer requirements were the driving forces which led to new extruder series throughout the decades. The ZSE HP series introduced high screw speeds of up to 1,200 RPM and increased torques to our customers. For the first time, we used heating cartridges across the complete machine range and pioneered a new kind of drive concept with water-cooled AC drives, which were to become the industry standard. In 2004, Leistritz had set a milestone in extruder technology by introducing the ZSE MAXX Extruder series at the K-Show with a high volume of 1.66 OD to ID ratio. 3 years later, they became groundbreaking technology because high volume and high torque were combined in one machine, which opened up a much wider processing window. Further features included a special screw shaft design with an increased cooling capacity. The largest twin screw extruder series possessed consistent values of high volume, OD to ID of 1.66, and high torque up to 15 Nm per centimeter to the third power, with screw diameters from 18 to 260 millimeters. For almost a decade, these features were unique in the market, and up until today they have proven to be optimal for most compounding applications. The ZSE MAXX twin screw extruders are renowned machines which have been installed thousands of times all over the world. Leistritz has not only made a name for itself as a competent extruder manufacturer, but also as a reliable system supplier. As you can see, there is much more to rotation than you might have thought. It fascinates our highly motivated team of engineers, whose vast experience and commitment are the main ingredients of our success. We prove it every day in the interactions with our customers, in our facilities in Germany, Italy, the US, Singapore, and China. We've come a long way because we are an innovative, dynamic, reliable, and collaborative partner with our customers, suppliers, and employees.